In my last video, I said you maybe shouldn't buy the latest Go Faster Bits Diverter Valve. Well, guess what I'm holding here in my hand. So stick around this video to find out why. How's it going? I'm Kevin, this is North Coast Workshop, where you'll find content on car modification and DIY. In today's video, what we're doing is going to get the Cupra in the garage here and quickly swap over the old Go Faster Bits Diverter Valve for this new low profile version. Now, I haven't actually bought this. I got this from AKS Tuning. They kindly sent it out to me to trial in the car for a week, see how I get on, and then I'm going to send it back to them because they've got their own trials to run on Golf Rs and S3s as well. So thank you AKS Tuning for sending this out to me. I think it's the first product I've actually received to use on the channel, so I'm very grateful. I'll leave all of AKS Tuning website details down below in the description if you're looking to purchase this or the standard Go Faster Bits one that I've got in my car, or just an OEM version G diverter valve. They've also got a wide range of other tuning parts for VAG cars as well, so check the website out. Now, looking through YouTube, actually, I didn't find any other videos that featured this diverter valve yet, the low profile version, on any cars, so this could potentially be the very first video on YouTube that features the Go Faster Bits low profile diverter valve. Anyway, let's get the car in the garage here now, get it switched over, and we're going to test run this for a week, and then we'll see how we get on. So I've done many videos before about the diverter valve on this car, so I'll leave links down below in the description for those, but quick removal of the old one off the car just now, and you can see side by side the comparison with the new diverter valve, the massive difference in size and height. Fair enough, my one has sprung apart because of the spring inside it, but even overall it's a lot bigger in size. Popping the new one on is pretty straightforward. Just got to remove the wee plastic retaining tab here that holds the piston in place, and it comes supplied with 3 new shorter fixing bolts. It's very handy, you can swivel the top of the diverter valve, so this makes putting the bolts in a lot easier, and then you just attach your new wiring harness, which then connects the new diverter valve to your old harness on the car. And I just popped the cable tie on to hold the harness in place. Oh, and I don't want this lying around at my engine when I'm driving. So the turbo noises on my car have always been pretty vocal over the time I've had my Go Faster Bits diverter valve, and it's been no different with this one, as you can hear. And no problems with holding boost. As I overtook this lorry here, it was still holding boost perfectly and accelerating smoothly. As you'll see in these road clips, we pretty much saw 3 different seasons over the next 7 days. So obviously when the snow was around, I thought I'd get a quick snap for Instagram. A couple of days later, using the car for the school run to get Millie. And obviously going about town and having to refuel this thing, as I seem to always be doing. And on the final 7th day, I went for a nice long drive on this nice stretch of road we've got nearby. Now, if I hadn't changed the diverter valve myself in the car, I would never have known that a different version was being fitted to it. The car performed perfectly through 7 days. It showed no sign of being upset. A different diverter valve was fitted to the car. This one performed flawlessly. If you're going for a modification, you're looking for a new diverter valve for the car, a Go Faster Bits one, this all-in-one low profile version could be for you. Right, now time to get home. So it's now the following day after a week of road testing of that new Go Faster Bits diverter valve. So I've put the older one back on the car and sent the new one back off to AKS. So thank you again, Alex at AKS, for giving me a shot of that. And if you have any question at all about the new diverter valve I've been using for the past week, it's probably been answered in this video up here, so give that a click where I go through the full details of it. As always, hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed the video, hit subscribe down below to catch more videos from the channel in the future. I'm off now to wash this top because I'm using it in the garage for the past 3 weeks and it's disgusting, so I'll catch you later. Cheers.